Okay, speak, brother. Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, yes, speak.
Yeah, actually, you were saying I'm a student. In which study do you read? Have you completed your graduation?
No, no, I'm a student of 12th class.
Or in 12th class?
Yes,
Yeah, I think you are from Bihar.
yes, you are right. I'm from Bihar.
Yeah, in 12th class right now you are reading. Which faculty have you chosen?
Yeah, science.
Science. Your main
Yeah,
subject math and bio.
bio.
Bio
Yes.
and math.
No, math is not my subject. I don't like math.
Okay, okay. Actually, you don't like math. That's why you didn't choose, right?
Yes, yes. So I didn't choose.
Yeah. Okay.
Math
Okay.
is very hard.
Yeah, but actually, I wanna know, tell about your preparation.
Yes, yes. My preparation is going normal.
Normal, why? Why normal? Due to COVID-19.
No, no, not only due to COVID-19 because now I have not too much choice. So everything is going normal. My study is going normal. What can I do?
Yeah, actually, what do you wanna be?
Yes, in my future, I want to become English lecturer.
Oh, English lecturer.
Yes,
Yeah, that's great. Break a leg. I wish you all the best.
yes, yes. Thank you for your wishing.
Yeah, actually, it depends on practice. If you practice regularly, definitely you will be. No one can refuse you for
Yes,
being English lecturer.
yes, you are right, brother.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you may ask any question if you have.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me something about your occupation. It means what's your work? You can tell me.
Yeah, actually, I have completed my 12th class,
Yes,
and after that, I'm learning English because you can understand English. Learning English is very, very essential for us students nowadays. Because in any country and village, in any city, English is spoken. That's why English speaking is in currency nowadays. That's why I'm learning and I have started my journey.
yeah. But you are doing very great work, and you can improve, and you can learn very soon.
Yeah, actually, since when I'm learning English? May I know?
What
Since when are you learning English?
are you asking about me?
Yeah, yeah, I'm asking about you. Since when are you learning English?
Yes, I have been learning this for 1 year. You can say I have been learning this since 2019. It going to be 2 years.
Oh, it has been 2 years.
Yeah, yeah. You can say it is going to be 2 years.
Okay, okay. But you have improved your English and you are speaking well. I appreciate you.
No, but I can't say my English is good.
No, actually, I have started this journey learning English. I think I have started. It has been 2 months. About me,
Yeah,
I'm telling.
yeah, but you are also doing great and you are speaking very well.
Yeah, actually, when did you join this group? Skype?
Yeah, before 1 month.
Oh, before 1 month. Okay.
Yeah.
To how many people do you talk every day?
Every day, 3 or 5 persons. I talk with 3 or 5 persons.
Oh, every day you talk to 3 and 4 people every day. Yeah, okay. Actually, I wanna know about your channel name. Could you take your channel name?
Yes, my channel name is Ligro Institute.
Ligro Institute.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Ligro Institute. Okay, actually, if I get time, I will watch your video, Ligro Institute, right?
yeah, I will send you. Don't worry. I will send you my channel link and you can watch and you can learn English from my channel. You know, on my channel, I have uploaded only English video.
Okay, okay, okay. Definitely, definitely, you send me. I will watch your video.
Yeah, so tell me something. What are you doing for learning English?
Yeah, actually, to learn English, I haven't joined any coaching. Only through the internet and mobile. I am learning right now. And the person who has time, I call and interact something related to English.
Yes,
Yeah, like this, I
you are,
do actually.
yeah, you are taking 100% benefit of social media, and you are using your mobile on the right way.
Yeah, actually, you can understand. Mobile is very indispensable for us.
Yeah. Because many students they want to learn English,
This.
but they are not serious for learning English. They are not using their social media on the right direction. They are not using their handset on the right direction. But many students they are thinking, why am I not learning English? Why am I not improving my English? They are only thinking, but they are not thinking, how can I improve? By which work can I improve my English?
Yeah, bro, correct. You are saying I can understand whatever you wanna say. And actually, bro, in I have no any friend and companion, so that with them I can practice. But that's why I took recourse mobile, so that through mobile I can learn. Actually, this year I bought this mobile.
Mobile is very important because nowadays there are many videos on channel, and you can watch many types of videos like English conversation video, English video related to grammar, related to spoken, related to writing, English writing. So all videos are very good for us. And if you are serious for learning English, then you can learn very well by the help of social media, by the help of mobile phone. But if you are not serious, even you are going to teach, even you are going to institute. But if you are not serious, if you are not wasting your time with your friend for learning English, with your social media for learning English, for talking with anyone, so you can never learn better and you can never do better in your life.
Yeah, correct. Definitely, you are saying correct. I can understand. And actually, bro, the person who wants to learn English somehow they can learn, and whether he join an institute or not, by
Yeah,
internet and by mobile.
yeah. It
D-
it depends.
It,
It depends upon his mind. How can he use
yeah,
his
it
mind?
depends on. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
because
Yeah,
yes,
actually, our mother tongue is Hindi language. That's why we try to speak Hindi always. But
yes.
actually, this language has become global language. That's why I think it's very necessary and essential for us. It has been.
Yeah, and I have only one statement because you can say we have to love our mother tongue, but we have to speak English.
Yeah, because this is very essential. And suppose some people is just speaking English in front of you, and you are educated, you have a lot of degrees, and you are not able to speak English. How will you face? This is the problem. That's why English is very essential for us students, so that can communicate to anybody. Am
Yes,
I right?
yes, you are totally right. You are 100% right. Because without English language, we can't face this modern era. Because everyone knows what is the situation of English. If you don't know English, and if you are going to market, if you are trying to communicate with foreign people, so you can never talk with foreign people. You can never read the description, the notes of any medicine. It means if you are going to purchase any product, and there everything is written in English. If you want to read what is the benefits of this medicine, what is the harmful of this medicine, how can we use this medicine. So if you don't know English, then how can you read and how can you use in your daily life? So that will be
Yeah,
very,
we can't
yeah,
afford if we don't know English. If you don't English how to speak, we can't afford anything.
yeah. And we all know that because nowadays every exam is going very top,
Yeah, very related to English.
related to this. And if you are trying to crack any competition exam, so that is present in English language. If you are trying to crack any interview, if you want to pass any interview, so that interviewer in that interview, all interviewers are asking any question in English. So if you are
Yeah,
not well, if you are not
yeah,
comfortable, for speaking English,
Ah,
then you
interviewer asks question in English, only in English.
yes. So how can you reply?
Yeah, it may be impossible to reply.
Yeah, and first important thing is that our language of social media is English. If you don't know English, then you can never use social media on the right direction and very well.
Yeah, actually, bro, actually, right now I'm learner and I'm beginner, and for 2 years I have been learning English. Actually, I wanna ask question to you. If you agree, you can reply.
Yes, yes. If I know,
Yeah,
then I will tell you.
yeah. Actually, to speak English, and actually, I'm not talking only about English language. About any language I'm talking. Suppose we have to any learn English language. I think grammar is necessary or not.
Yeah, your question is very great. Grammar is necessary, but if you have no time for learning grammar, so no problem. But if you have time, then we should try to learn about grammar because grammar is important because whenever you are going to speak, whenever you are going to deliver your speech, yeah, whenever you are
Yeah.
going to communicate with anyone,
Yeah, in that situation, grammar is very necessary, and grammar will help in that situation.
yes, yeah. And first one thing is that if you are going to write in examination in exam, if you are if you are preparing for any exam, so that time grammar is very important
Yeah, you
because
will have to give written in English, and properly you will have to write in the exam. That's why you can get marks, good marks.
yeah, because in the speaking you can speak anything, any word here and there, but that will be not more serious, and that will be not more necessity because in the speaking time we can also speak wrong, we can also speak right, but while writing time, while if you are preparing an exam, so in that exam you have to write very well and very suitable.
Yeah, actually, bro, I wanna ask one pronunciation. Actually, again and again, you are speaking very. I think it's read very.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Ac- Actually, don't be mind. Actually, my teacher told. Actually, I was just speaking very, but my teacher one day told, no, you should read very, not very.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay, don't be
So
mind.
no problem. You can teach me. If I don't know, then you can teach me. No problem. So, what's your future plan in your life? What do you want to be in your life?
Yeah, actually, I'm preparing for governmental job.
Oh, which type of government job?
Yeah, actually, this is my choice, and my brother is in Bihar police.
Oh, so what do you want to be?
Yeah, that's why this is my dream, and I wanna be I wanna go in Bihar police. Actually,
Oh,
nowadays I'm preparing. I am no decided to go, but whatever in any job I can go, but I have to get a governmental job, not private.
oh, that's great.
Yeah, actually, bro. Apart from learning English, and after that, what do you do?
Yes. Are you talking about me?
Yeah. I'm talking about you.
Okay. So now I'm a student of 12th class. After completing my 12th class, I will do my graduation by English subject.
Yeah, actually, bro, I can understand whatever you wanna say. I wanna ask question. Actually, accept learning English. What do you do?
Yeah. Nowadays, I'm preparing for my exam and I'm learning English. But after 1 month after my exam, I will I will go to in another institute for teaching, and I also teach some students. So this is my job, and I try to upload video on my channel related to English.
Okay, yeah. Actually, in February there is your exam, right? In February.
Yeah, yeah, yes, you're right.
Yeah, I think from first is February your exam is starting.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, actually, I have a brother. Even he has to go to for exam. He's reading in 12th class, and he told me he has brought admit card from college.
Yeah, but now I have not got admit card from college. My teacher told me you will get after 3 or 4 days.
Oh, after 3 and 4 days.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, okay. Actually, do you have any sibling? You are alone.
yeah. I have siblings, brothers and sisters.
Yeah, they are elder and younger.
Yeah, they are elder than me. I am youngest in my family.
Oh, you are youngest.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, do they do?
What?
Do they do?
What do they? What do they do?
Yeah, what do they do?
Yes. Yes, my three brothers. They are businessmen.
Businessman. Yeah,
Yes, and my one elder brother. He lives at home, and I'm a student.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah, actually, you wanna be English lecturer. You have told.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
if you have any question, you can ask. In my mind, there is no any question to ask. I think you can ask.
I have also no any question.
Yeah, actually, can you see my garden?
Yeah, yeah. I'm watching your garden, and it's very green and
Yeah,
very,
this is
very
Gava
big.
tree. This is Gava tree. This is a small tree of right now.
Yes, yes.
I have
I know. Yes, I know this tree. I have also this plant.
yeah. This is grass. I have grown for buffalo. I have buffalo. I am cattle man.
Yes, yes. It's very, it's green.
Yeah, it's so green. It's so green.
Yeah.
May you see?
Yes, yes. I'm watching.
Yeah, this is garlic plant.
What?
Garlic, garlic. Do you know garlic?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, in Hindi you can say lahasun, lahasun. In Hindi you can say
Oh, lasan.
yeah, lahasun. Garlic in English you can say garlic.
Yes, yes. You have
Yeah,
beauty. You have beautiful garden, and you can enjoy with your
yeah.
garden.
Every day I come. Every day I come here to enjoy. This is fantastic place. You can see this Amrak.
Yes. What is this?
This is Amrak. This is Amrak. Can you see?
Yeah, I'm watching. Yes.
Yeah, this is Amrak. We call Amrak. It's eaten. It comes in fruits category.
Oh, fruit. So
Okay,
when
okay, bro. Do you have any question to ask?
so when do you get fruit by that plant?
What, bro?
When do you get food?
Yeah, actually, nowadays this is ripe. This is oh sorry, this is ra. This is ra.
Oh,
Oh, I think after 1 month it will give me this. This tree will give me fruit.
okay. Then you can eat and make tasty.
Yeah,
Okay, brother. So now I want to stop my voice, and this is very great conversation with you.
yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Actually, I didn't know you are a teacher and you wanna be a English lecturer, but actually your dream is very well and very big. Actually, you will have to struggle a lot of.
Yeah, yeah. I will do a struggle in my life.
Yeah, come what may in the life, most you be English lecturer. If you have decided most you be okay, don't
Yes,
give
yes,
in.
yes, yes. I will never give up.
Yeah, never. Yeah, okay, okay, bro.
So,
Okay,
what,
hi.
brother?
Okay, okay. Send me your link.
Yes, yes. I will send you.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for talking.
Thank you.